up guys, welcome back to iTutorTherapy, back with another video. Today, things are gonna get a little bit technical, alright? So get ready and let's go. So, how many times have you forgotten to check in and you lost the demo because of that? Many times, right? Me too, it's happened to me. So the thing is with check-in is something that we have to do to let the demo schedulers know that we are ready to start teaching demo, all right? And we have to do it once if we have many sessions back to back, or we have to do it many times. Every time we have 1 hour break or another regular session between demos, we have to check in again. So this is something that we have to do many times throughout the day sometimes. And if we forget, it counts as an absent, and it's one of those absents that there is no excuse for. You just forgot, okay? There is no way to weasel your way out of it, okay? It's not like another type of absent, all right? So today, we're gonna talk about a little trick that's gonna show you how to never forget to check in using a small program called Auto Refresh. It's a Chrome add-on and it's very easy to use and it will help you to never ever forget to check in. Let's go to my computer. Alright, hey guys, welcome back again to my computer. We are in my session page and right now the time is 2:13 p.m. and like you see I have a demo scheduled at 2:30 and technically right now is the time for us to remember to go to the check-in button and check in. However, many times we forget to check in and this is why we get this absent. So here is the trick that I'm going to show you that actually will make the My Session page remind you like, hey, you need to check in, you have a demo. So let's check this out. We will go here, we'll write google.com, alright, and then in google.com we're just going to write Auto Refresh Chrome. We have two auto refresh programs. You can use whichever one you want, the easy auto refresh or the super auto refresh, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna choose the first one and I'm gonna click add to Chrome, add extension, yes please. Now it will take us to this program's homepage. We don't need to do anything in here, but the way this program works is you can actually type in how frequently you want it to refresh your page. Alright, so for example, let's go back now to my session page. We have this button here. It appeared because we installed Auto Refresh, and I'm gonna say every 40 seconds, or let's say 30 seconds, I want you to remind me, or I want you to refresh the page. Click. Right now, it is actually counting 30 seconds, and after this 30 seconds pass, they will refresh the entire page. You see here my session page sometimes refreshes part of it, which is this part alone, but it doesn't do anything for us. However, after the 30 seconds pass, you will see that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. The entire page refreshed, not just the session part, and that made the check-in button pop up. And we right now, all we have to do is just click check-in success, and there we are. Alright, so the whole point of this program is it refreshes the entire My Session page every 30 seconds, every 10 seconds, whatever you want, and when you do that, once you hit the window of time that you are supposed to check in, it will pop up automatically for you and it will remind us like, hey, you need to check in, click me. Alright, and right like that, we will never forget to check in again. Also, this program can be pretty useful for last minute scheduling because sometimes the My Session page update is not fast enough and sometimes it doesn't update everything. However, when you refresh the entire page, this makes it much easier. Basically, what this program does is it refreshes everything. And if you get scheduled a demo in last second, it will be very easy for you to see it. If you get scheduled a regular session, also last minute, it will be easy for you to see it. And that's pretty much it. Now, for the program, if you don't like it or if there's any problem with it, you can just stop it. Or if you want to remove it completely, you can just right click on it and go to remove from Chrome. Yes, remove. and it's gone. Okay, so if under any circumstances you don't like it or it's causing any problems for you, you can very easily remove it from your Chrome. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was a small little video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it, alright? Maybe for some of you that was like trivial or you don't need this video. However, I'm sure that this video can help someone out there. And even if it will help one person, I'm happy. Alright, thank you so much. Hope to see you next time in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you next time. Peace.